Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on Crypto.com. First, open the Crypto.com mobile application on your smartphone. Make sure you have completed all necessary identity verification steps to enable full trading functionality. Having your account verified is a crucial first step before you can proceed with any purchases. Also, have your chosen payment method, such as a debit card or bank account details, ready for use. To begin, tap the Buy button located prominently within the Crypto.com app interface. From there, you will select Fiat Wallet to add funds using traditional money. You can choose to deposit funds via a bank transfer, which might take a few business days, or instantly with a debit or credit card, though card fees may apply. Ensure you follow the on-screen instructions carefully for your chosen method. Once your Fiat wallet is funded, search for USD or Tether in the cryptocurrency list and select it. Next, input the exact amount of USD you intend to purchase. The app will display the current exchange rate and any associated fees. Carefully review all the transaction details, including the total cost and the amount of USD you will receive, before confirming your purchase. Upon successful completion, you will receive an immediate confirmation of your USD purchase. Your newly acquired Tether will then be visible in your crypto wallet within the Crypto.com app. From there, you have several options. You can hold it, send it to another wallet, or transfer it to the Crypto.com exchange if you wish to engage in further trading activities. Congratulations on your purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.